Hello students, I am going to continue the chapter sets of standard 9 operations on sets. So first one is the intersection of two sets. If A and B are the two sets, then the set of common elements in A and B. So remember this word, that is A and B is called as the intersection of the set A and B. So it is represented by A. So see here the symbol of the intersection B. Now the example is, that is A is 1 3 5 7 9 and B is 3 9 and 12. So for finding the intersection we have to find out the common elements in both the sets. So which are the common elements? So here is 3, here is also 3, next here is 9 and here is also 9. So only two elements are common in this set. So A intersection B is 3 and 9. So to find out the intersection means we have to find out the common elements in both the sets, and this can be represented as by Venn diagram. So this one is set A and this one is set B. In set A 1 3 5 7 9, and the common elements we plot here in the common region, that is 3 and 9. In short, the definition of symbolic definition of the intersection is given by A intersection B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Remember this word and. So whenever you see this and word in your example, you have to write the intersection of the two sets. So in the next exercise practice set, there are some word problems where we have to use this one. Now see the properties of the intersection of the sets. A intersection B and B intersection A दोनों सेम ही रहते हैं. So we write here the equal to sign. If A is the subset of B, A के सब elements B में है, then A intersection B is A. If A intersection B is B, then the B is the subset of A. A intersection B is the subset of A, then A intersection B is the subset of B. If we take the intersection of A and A complement, then there is no any common element, so it is phi. A intersection phi is phi and A intersection A is A. Now see the next property, that is a union of two sets. So if A and B are the two sets, then the set containing all elements of A or B. यहाँ पे हमने बोला था and. So remember this word. Intersection में जो word आता है वो and है. That is the set of common elements in A and B. And here हमने use किया है, that is A or B. So remember this word. All elements of A or B is called as the union of set, and it is denoted by this sign, that is A union B. The symbolic definition, that is A union B, is the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. See both the definitions here. The intersection का definition है, यहाँ पे हमने and use किया है, यहाँ पे and जो union का है उसमें हमने और ये word use किया है. Now see one example. A is 1 2 3 4 5 and B is 3 5 7 9. So A union B. A union B में हमें क्या लिखना है? इस दोनों में जो elements है वो सब हम लिखेंगे, but जो repeat आया है वो नहीं लिखेंगे. That is 3 is repeated here, then the 5 is also repeated here. So we have to write down one element at once. So 1 2 3 4 5 and here 7 and 9. Means ये जो element है वो either A में है और B में है. So here we use the word or. And the Venn diagram for this one is this 1 2 4 3 and 5, here 3 5 7 9. So all these elements, so this shaded portion, total shaded portion shows the A union B. Now see the properties of union of sets. So A union B का आंसर और B union A का आंसर सेम ही रहता है. So A union B is equals to B union A. If A is the subset of B, then A union B is B. If A is the subset of A union B, then B is the subset of A union B. A and A complement का union रहता है the universal set, that is U, and A union phi is nothing but the A, phi or empty set. Now the next one, that is disjoint set. So if there are no any common elements in two sets, then such sets are called as the disjoint set. अगर दो सेट दिए हैं उसमें कोई भी कॉमन एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, then it is called as a disjoint set. So see here 2 4 6 8 1 3 5 7. So दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स कॉमन कोई भी नहीं, so we write here intersection. If it is 5, then both the sets are called as the disjoint sets. Now see the number of elements in a set. So if A is any set, then number of elements in a set is denoted by number of A. We have to write down small n, a round bracket, and A. So there is one very important formula. It is also called as the addition property formula. So A, number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Remember this formula. Number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now we are going to solve the practice set 1.4. You are given number of A is 15, number of A union B is 29, number of A intersections B is 7. Then we have to find out number of B. Now we have to use the same formula here, and just we have to put down the values. So number of A union B is 29, number of A you are given, that is 15, number of B we have to find out, and number of A intersection B is 7. And so by calculating this, we move this minus 7 to this side, it becomes plus, so 36. Now we have to move this 15 to this side, so 36 minus 15 is equals to 21. So this is the answer. Now see the question number 2. So it is a very important example. So in a hostel there are 125 students. This total there are 125. Whenever you are given the total of the students or total, then it is nothing but the universal set. So out of which 80 drinks tea, 60 drinks coffee, and 20 drinks tea and coffee both. Now see, look at the here. So 20 drinks tea and coffee. So when we use this word and, so see, I just tell you the definition, and so here we use and. So in case of intersection, means here we are given the intersection of these two sets, tea and coffee one. So find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So first we have to denote, that is the U is the set of all students. It is denoted by U, and it is given as 125. There are total number of students is 125. So here we write that is 125. And number of students who drinking tea, that is number of tea, is equals to 80. Next, the number of students who drinking coffee, that is number of C, we choose the letter here, it is 60. And now C, 20 drinks tea and coffee, means here we are to write the letter we choose for the tea is T, and for coffee we choose it C, and means we have to take the intersection. So number of T intersection C is 20. So we have to identify this one. Now choosing the same formula, instead of writing AB we have to use these letters. So T union C is equals to number of T plus number of C minus number of T intersection C. So the value of this one is 80, 60 and minus 20. So by solving we get here 120. So 120 are the students who drinking tea or coffee. Since there is a union, it represents or, means ये वो students है वो either tea पीते हैं और coffee पीते हैं. So it is 120. But we have to find out, that is the number of students who do not drink. ये टी और कॉफ़ी पीने वाले स्टूडेंट्स का नंबर है, दैट इज़ 120. हमें जो टी और कॉफ़ी दोनों भी नहीं पीते उनका नंबर निकालना है. सो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु डू नॉट ड्रिंक टी और कॉफ़ी. सो टोटल बच्चे कितने हैं, तो वो डिनोटेड बाय नंबर ऑफ यू, इट इज़ 125. इसमें से हम इसको माइनस कर देंगे जो टी और कॉफ़ी दोनों पीते हैं. सो इट इज़ माइनस 120, सो इट विल गेट 5. So means there are only 5 students who do not drink tea or coffee. Then the same type of example, that is again there is a word problem. So in the competitive exams, 5 students passed in English, 60 students passed in maths, 40 students passed in both the subjects, and then find the number of students who passed at least in one of the subjects. So here you represent the set of all students which are not given here, just I write here. So E is the set of students who passed in English and the number you are given is 50. Then M is a set of students who passed in maths and the number given is 60. Now see, 40 students passed in both. Both means what? Both means English and maths. So here also you are given the intersection. So number of M intersection E is equals to 40. So the total students, how we can find out the total student, that is number of E union M, that is the students which passed in English and maths. So number of E union M is equals to, how the you know the formula, that is number of E plus number of M minus number of E intersection M. Just put down the values, 50 plus 60 minus 40, so we'll get here 70. Question number 4 is same that of the question number 3 and 2. So this one is for your homework. Now we're going to start the last example from this exercise. Question number 5. So you are given the figure, that is Venn diagram, and you have to find out these sets. So these sets we have to find out. Now look at the figure. So what is set A? So जो ये राउंड जो दिख रहा है पूरा का पूरा, इसमें जो मेंबर्स है वो है सेट ए, दैट इज एक्स वाई जेड एम एंड एन. सो आई राइट हियर द आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द सेट बी. सो यहाँ राइट साइड वाला जो सर्कल है वो देख लो, उसमें क्या क्या आता है, पी क्यू आर एम एन. सो इट इज सेट बी. नेक्स्ट ए यूनियन बी. ए और बी में जो टोटल एलिमेंट्स है वो सब हमें लिखना है, दैट इज एक्स वाई जेड एम एन पी क्यू आर. सो इट इज नथिंग बट द ए यूनियन बी. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द यूनिवर्सल सेट. यूनिवर्सल सेट में क्या आता है, सब आता है. ये जो रेक्टेंगल में दिख रहा है वो सब. सो एक्स वाई जेड एम एन पी क्यू आर एस एंड टी. सो दिस ऑल इंक्लूड्स इन यू एस टी. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो now look at here, that is for finding the A complement we have to compare this A with U. A with U means A में नहीं है लेकिन U में है, वो सब एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. सो A में कौन से हैं, एक्स वाई जेड एम एन. ये छोड़ के जो U में बचा है, दैट इज पी क्यू आर एस टी, वो रहेगा A complement. अगेन फॉर B complement, टू फाइंड द B complement, अगेन वी हैव टू कंपेयर दिस B विद द U. सो बी में कौन से एलिमेंट्स है, पी क्यू आर एम एन. ये छोड़ के यू में जो है वो सब बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएंगे, दैट इज पी क्यू आर एम एन. ये छोड़ देने का. सो द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज एक्स वाई जेड एंड एस टी. सो दिस इज द बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन ए यूनियन बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो वी हैव टू कंपेयर दिस सेट विद दिस यू. सो इसमें क्या है, एक्स वाई जेड एम एन पी क्यू आर, ये सब यहाँ से ड्रॉप करना है हमें, एक्स वाई जेड एम एन पी क्यू आर. सो कौन बचा है, एस एंड टी. सो दिस इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, दैट इज एस एंड टी. So this is the end of the chapter set. In next lecture we will see the new chapter. Thank you.